Okay. I got the chuck tore all apart. The thing's pretty much brand new. I don't know if you... They're little serrated pieces there. There's no wear on them. All the screws look perfect. Whoever had this lathe didn't even use it much, because everything's like new. There's little wear anywhere. These two screws had the little things broken off of them, so I don't know what I'm gonna do about that yet. That's really the only thing wrong with this besides the rust. I'm gonna get some of that. I think I'm gonna try the Evapo Rust stuff. Get some at Walmart today, and I'll throw it in there. Just try something new. So yeah, that'll be soon. Well, it'll be next for you, not soon. Alright, here's the chuck. I don't know how much of this I've recorded already, I really forgot. I used some kind of acid remover stuff on the back plate and the jaws. I didn't really, I mean, it did a good job, but it turned it real black and like dull. I had to wire brush them to get it to shine up a little bit, and it still doesn't look like I'd like it to. So I went back to the trusty electrolysis for the chuck, the main piece of it. So I'm going to clean that up. Alright, here's what I'm doing with the chuck. You see these three pieces I've hit with the gray Scotch-Brite, and then I'm coming over with the blue, like that one. And that's making it shine pretty good. There's the side. Clean. Not clean. So I'll bring you back whenever I put the screws back. Actually, I'm gonna have to do something about these, because two of these are broke off and this one's twisted. I don't know what I'll do about that yet. But yeah, that'll be the next part. Can you read that? Cushman chuck. So that's good. Okay, the plan for these, since they're broke off, I'm just gonna cut off the head of these cap screws and weld them on there. I got a nice T-handle Allen wrench I can use for that. So yeah. Alright, chuck's cleaned up. I used that Evapo Rust. No, what was it? I remember what it was. It's something from Walmart. This, I didn't really like it. So I don't remember. I think the jaws I just wire brushed them. It's a lot easier that way. Here's what I did to the screws. It'll let it focus. Just welded a little cap screw onto it. I cut the heads off of them and welded them on there. And I got an Allen wrench. And that works pretty good. So now I'm just putting this together, getting ready to work on something else. Alright, here it is, all done, ready for a stand. I think I'll do that now. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.